Hi guys, and today we're gonna record this heater or fan. It's a fan and a heater, and I'm gonna record it and show you guys it. It's a fan that you could turn into a heater. It says it's 95, but it does not feel like 95. I don't know what that means. I really do not know what this means. It's like this button. I don't know what it means. I don't really know exactly how this thing works because I got it yesterday and someone offered it for free, so I just took it. And I don't know exactly how it works, but it seems like it's a heater or a fan, like at the same time. Like it was blowing hot air, but now it's blowing cooler air, like this. But originally it's a heater, and the brand is Pelonis. I meant to say Pelonis, not Pelonis. And it says it's 95, but it actually does not feel like 95, like this air. And it also says do not cover. I used to think that was a fan, but it's actually not a fan, it's a and I do not know what that means. I think that's what changes it from a fan to a heater. Or does it? I don't know how this thing works, like I said. I think it's like I think that means you could set the time of how long it blows. This, it probably can control the temperatures. Yes, it can. So I'm pretty sure that the plus and the minus controls if it's a fan or a heater. 40 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels hotter. That's weird. I'm trying to press the minus button, but it's not doing anything, but now it is. Now this is a fan. I think I turned it to a fan. Like, the higher the temperature, the more the heater, the lower the temperature, the more the fan. It turned off randomly. That's weird. So I guess this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.